All right, so check out this bike water bottle holder that was sent to me. You actually get two of them in one. So as you can see, this is where the bottle goes in. It is quite sturdy. It is made out of metal, and then it comes with two screws so that you, as you see here, you do have the option. You don't have to use both, and it does come with the key to go ahead and screw in. Thing to mention about this bike water bottle holder is that it does not come with this bracket. So you do need a bracket depending on how your bike is designed to go ahead and fit onto this bar right here. So this bracket is going to hook onto this holder right here. So this is the screw that came with it and the tool, and we're just tightening it in, and then we're going to show two different bottles. So this is how it looks when it's installed. And we're going to test out a regular water bottle, and as you can see, it slides in really quick. It does have some space, but that's okay. It's not going to really come out. And we're going to test putting in a bigger bottle than a regular water bottle into the holder, and as you can see, it fits quite snug. It's not going to come out. As you can see here, the water bottle fits nice and snug into that holder. It's actually not moving side to side, so this is perfect for if you have a mountain bike and you're going on trails. You'll be good.